Okay, this is the preview of the digital declutter guide. So I'm going to give you a quick look at some of the pages in the guide. For week 1 will be Google Drive. So each day you'll have a page that looks like this with the task number and title at the top, the basic directions, quick tips for making things go faster, and then the link to either the blog post and or YouTube instructions depending on the particular task. Then we move to week 2 and our focus here is phone makeover, and you will see same setup for every single page. I'm not going to show every page because in order to get that, you got to get the guide. And we are halfway done. We move to week 3, and this is all about settings on your phone and other devices for your focus and to help with your mental health. Same setup for all of the tasks for that week. You will notice at the bottom that this one says Instagram carousel instructions because there was not a YouTube video or blog post for the tasks this week because they just work better in being able to show step-by-step directions in Instagram carousel. So all you have to do is click that link and it'll take you to step-by-step picture instructions. Week 4, and we are at our focus for that week is the email inbox. So you will go through and make things over, and you will notice that there are blog post instructions linked at the bottom. Still the same tips, still the same directions for the last week of tasks. I also talk about ways that you can set yourself up in the future so that you don't have to go back all the way through this guide with weekly, daily, and monthly tips. I have a ton of bonus items to make all of this easier for you. So the first is when we look at the Google Keep app, I've got headers ready-made for you with step-by-step instructions on how to download them, and if you want to change the colors or edit them, how to do that. I include 10 phone backgrounds that will look great with color coding your apps, which is one of the tasks. I include 5 desktop backgrounds for organizing your desktop, which is one of the tasks. I've got a digital declutter bingo, and I actually did this in color and black and white in case you wanted to print it. And it's just a way to go through and mark each of the challenges. And if you ever make bingo by doing the challenges, then you can give yourself a little treat or a little reward. I also included a bonus of a home declutter bingo, some quick things to do really quickly just to get your home a little bit less cluttered. Sorry, skipped over. And then the last thing, and I think this is the coolest part, is I included a digital declutter checklist that is on your Google Drive that has all the steps so that you can check it off. And I even included a little inspirational thing at the bottom to show you that you're doing a great job. The blog posts and other things are also linked in this checklist, so everything's right there where you need it. And then I've got some recommended resources and all the awesome people who gave clip art and font so that I could make this resource. That is the digital declutter guide. I hope you will give it a buy. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out either through an Instagram DM at Sheets and Systems is the handle, or you can shoot me an email, Beth@sheetsandsystemswithbeth.com. Have a great day.